Alright guys, I am all done. I'm gonna have to take a picture and insert it in the video because it's nighttime. It took me maybe about 2.5 hours to finish this. Maybe close to 3, but mainly 2.5 hours. I had to take a couple breaks because Dylan is so demanding. Jeez Louise. Anyways, this color is too cute. I was afraid, y'all, that it was gonna be like a little too bright, but it is definitely super cute. I will have to, like I said, I'll take a picture of it and show you guys what it looks like in the sun. And it's not too long. It probably comes like right down in here. I'm like, yeah, that's not too long. So yeah, these are super cute, guys, and light. I kind of wanted them slick longer, but I know if I did put them longer, it was gonna take me forever. So yeah, and this is, I could have made them a little bit bigger, but I decided not to. So these are kind of probably like in between, medium and large size. So yeah, these will be a super cute style in the midst of me figuring out what I want to do with my hair next. It's still got a little stiffness into it because I wasn't able to dip them too high, but once I lay them down or tie them down, they'll be a little bit more full of more body. So yeah, guys, I love it. My unicorn braids. I was like, is this age appropriate for me? But I mean, I like color, so it is what it is. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next Candy Hair Diary video. Peace.